Hello, this is Dick Hill, Vice President at ARC Advisory Group. I'm here today to talk about managing the digital transformation from an automated operations to an autonomous operations point of view. Now, many of you in operations are experiencing a lot of interesting challenges, not the least of which is your competition moving forward, but also other things like your ability to stay agile as your customers want more and more. And of course, your assets are aging, so we have to look at that and take that into consideration. Then you have issues like cybersecurity or just pure safe operations, not to mention workforce aging and the transformation of the workforce as time goes on. All of these things, all these factors, we turn to many things to help, and digital transformation is one of those things. Now, digital transformation, if you look at the systems that you have in your facilities, some are 20 years old, 30 years old, maybe even more. And these have to be transformed. These have to be moved forward into the latest century to be able to take advantage of the advanced technologies that are becoming available to move your operations from an automated to an autonomous operation where appropriate. This presents the opportunity to further advance safe operations while improving the overall business value creation. Now, of course, the new systems, technology by themselves are not sufficient. They need to be transformed, but also work processes, people, education, and general practices need to be transformed as well. It's not just about replacing old technology. It is also about information flow, business improvement, and always making the best decision for your operations and your business. Now, ARC has put together a 5-level maturity model for autonomous operations. And the model begins with level 0, which means there is no autonomous operation. In fact, there's no automation at level 0. At the first level, level 1, we have automation performing, operation technology performing information for the humans to consume and allowing the humans to make decisions. At the next level, at level 2, we have basic regulatory and logic control, where the humans make the non-routine actions. At level 3, operational technology is in control for selected processes, and automation will alert humans when abnormal actions are needed. At this level, exception logic and exception that is known ahead of time can be managed by the automation and operation technology. At level 4, we start to get into some serious autonomy where the operational technology performs autonomously for control of selected processes. In these situations, humans supervise the system's actions. So they're there, they're still involved, but the systems are making most of the decisions on their own. And then finally, at level 5, when we reach full autonomy, the operational technology is making all the decisions. In fact, in some cases, humans may not even be present locally in the facility or monitoring it remotely. So these are the levels as defined by ARC. Now, we have also created a survey in which we're going to provide report based on where are people, where are companies in terms of their maturity of utilizing autonomous operations capabilities of their operational technologies. So we've laid this out so that it's a very, very simple, straightforward survey. And we've put some categories in here like raw material preparation. Where are you? Are you level 0? Are you level 5? Or somewhere in between? Another possibility is take a look at your best production facility or your best unit operations within a production facility. Where are you? What level automation are you? Finished goods in preparing your products to go to customers. Also field operations or maintenance, where are you? And also planning and scheduling. These are some of the questions that are involved in this very simple, straightforward assessment survey. Now, we'd like to invite you all to take this survey, and it's very simple to get there. Go to our website, which is www.arcweb.com, or you can send me an email, either way. But if you go here, you can click on our expertise at the header, and then next click on industry best practices. And then finally click on what is autonomous operations, where we have gone into more depth of defining what we mean by autonomous operations and what the general understanding of that is. And at the bottom of that description is a link to our survey. So please take it if you can. We'd appreciate it. And we will get the results back to you. Thank you very much. Again, this is Dick Hill, ARC Advisory Group. This is my website, arcweb.com. My email address is dhill@arcweb.com if you have any comments, or visit our webpage. Thank you very much.